Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a brief look at a 2016 Solstice 220. This one is listed without the trailer, but we do have trailers available for it. All right, so boat is in very, very good condition. This was a freshwater only boat that was kept on a lift down at Cedar Creek here in Texas. So wraparound seating. This boat does have Polk audio. It was ordered with the upgraded sound system, so really nice Polk head unit, Polk subwoofer, amplifiers, speakers underneath the seats. This does have LED lighting in the seat bases and in the cup holders. 255 hours on its Mercury 250 Pro. Extended 12-foot bimini, so that bimini, it's folded down now, but it will shade from about here back to nearly to the end of the upholstery. So removable table, storage inside the helm, in-floor ski locker, as well as an additional mount for the table in the front, so you can move the table either way. Most popular floor plan currently on all these boats is the flip-flop backrest for the SL floor plan, and storage on the back with the extended deck. Really nice boat and a lot of boat for the money. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.